Everyone, today we are here to explain a new grammar. The grammar that we are going to study today is adverbs of frequency. As you can see, we are going to study two cases in adverbs of frequency. But what is an adverb of frequency? An adverb of frequency is a word that shows us how often we do an activity, or how much time we do an activity in a week, or in a day, or in a period of time. In this case, first we are going to complete some exercises. We are going to fill the missing words in the blank. So we have four examples: often, always, never, sometimes. They are adverbs of frequency. In my case, depending on my case, I said I get up early. So I need to complete with always. I always get up early. I go swimming. I never go swimming. I exercise, so I say I often exercise. I just watch TV. I sometimes just watch TV. Yeah, now we complete the missing words. Always, never, often, sometimes, depending on my experience. So, look at what is important. Subject, verb, object. Where is the adverb frequency? Is before the verb. Often exercise. Never go. Always get up. Remember, these adverbs go before most of the verbs. Here we have some examples. Do you ever watch TV in the evening? I always watch TV after dinner. Always plus verb, because always is the adverb of frequency. I sometimes watch TV before bed. As you can see, sometimes is before the verb. Sometimes I watch TV before bed. Here, there is something that is a little tricky. No, it's not tricky, it's easy. Usually and sometimes are the exception in the rule. They can start the sentence. They can start the sentence. For example, you have sometimes I watch TV before bed. Also, you can say usually I watch TV before bed. I hardly ever watch TV before TV. I never watch TV. How we are going to use? How I know when to use them? In this case, in this line, we have examples with the percentages. The percentages show us which one we have to use depending on the activity we do. Always is 100%, usually 90%, often 75%, sometimes 50%, hardly ever 10%, never 0%. The percentage represents, as I told you, how much time you do an activity. In this case, 100% always means that 7 days a week I do the same activity. Usually it represents that 6 days a week or 5 days a week I always do an activity. Often, 4 days a week or 5 days a week I do that activity. Sometimes represents that 3 or 4 days I do the same activity. Hardly ever, it means that in a week I do it one activity 1 day, or in 2 weeks 1 day. And never, and 0% is never, because I don't do that activity. Yeah, that is the first case. That is the first case of the adverbs of frequency. Now we have another case, the second one, that works with how often. How often do you exercise? As you can see, these adverbs of frequency answer the question, how often. Also, we have some examples. I don't exercise. I play soccer. I go running. I need to complete the missing words. The missing words are here: very much, twice a month, every day. In my case, I don't exercise. very much. I play soccer twice a month. I go running every day. Yeah? Why I use them? Because I am answering the question, how often? Here you are. How often do you exercise? I go jogging every day. I play soccer twice a month. I go swimming about 3 times a week. I do aerobics twice a week. I don't exercise very much. I don't play soccer very often. These adverbs go at the end of a statement or question. A statement is a sentence. So remember, when you are going to use them, you need to post them at the ending of a sentence. So, how often do you exercise again? I go jogging every day. It means that I love jogging, I love exercise. I play soccer twice a month. I'm not a good soccer player. I go swimming about 3 times a week. I love swimming also. I do aerobics twice a week. It means that I am fit because I do exercise. I don't exercise very much. I don't have the time, so I said I don't exercise very much. I don't play soccer, neither. I don't have the time, so I don't play sports very much. I guess that is the explanation, and I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.